To get a Trezor wallet, start by visiting the official Trezor website to ensure you are buying from a trusted source. Trezor offers two main models, the Trezor One and the Trezor Model T, each with different features and price points. First, choose the model that best suits your needs. Considering factors such as security, ease of use, and cryptocurrency support, the Trezor One is a more affordable option, while the Trezor Model T offers advanced features like a touchscreen interface and Shamir backup. Once you have selected your model, proceed to the checkout process, where you will be required to provide your shipping information and payment details. Make sure to use a secure connection and verify the website's authenticity to protect yourself from potential scams. After placing your order, wait for your Trezor wallet to arrive, which typically takes a few days depending on your location. When you receive your device, carefully unpack it and follow the included instructions to set it up. This involves installing the Trezor Bridge software on your computer and initializing the wallet using the Trezor web interface. During the setup process, you will be prompted to create a PIN and generate a recovery seed, which is used to restore your wallet in case it is lost or damaged. It is essential to store your recovery seed in a safe and secure location, as it grants access to your cryptocurrencies. To add funds to your Trezor wallet, send cryptocurrencies from an exchange or another wallet to your Trezor address. You can find your address in the Trezor web interface, and make sure to use the correct address for the specific cryptocurrency you are sending. Finally, to ensure the security of your Trezor wallet, always keep your device and recovery seed in a safe location, and never share your PIN or seed with anyone. Regularly update your Trezor software to protect against potential security vulnerabilities, and consider using additional security measures such as two-factor authentication to further secure your account. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely and effectively use your Trezor wallet to store and manage your cryptocurrencies. Remember to always prioritize security and take necessary precautions to protect your assets.